Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful button craft ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video. So friends, my first is button. Colorful button tree. Let's make a button tree. First I draw a tree trunk. Now I paste colorful button sleeve. I use many bright color. The tree look full and happy. This is a fun art idea. And viewers, next idea is friends. Button. Candle holder. Today I decorate a candle holder. First I take a glass jar. Now I paste buttons all around it. I use small and big buttons. Now I put candles inside. It look warm and glowing. So viewers, next idea is friends. Butterfly art. First I draw a butterfly shape. Now I paste button for wings. I use bright and shining button. The butterfly looks so colorful, perfect for kids crafts. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for viewers more latest updates. So viewers,